The interactionalist theory. This theory suggests that you can change your personality depending on what situation you are in. This theory is linked to an individual's normal characteristics, but it also considers an individual's characteristics depending on the situation they are placed in. The theory could be seen as a mix between the social learning theory, because your personality could be considered unstable. However, it is also combined with Martin's schematic view. This theory suggests that there is 3 different levels that all link together to provide you with the type of personality that you have. The first part of the theory is the psychological core. This part of the theory relates to you as an individual and the personality that you have within you. It is your normal and typical personality traits which are present when there is no situation that you are reacting to. This links to the second part of the theory, which is your typical responses. This is the usual way that you react to a situation. These personalities come from your psychological core, however they could be unpredictable if the circumstance that you are put in is that extreme. The last part of Martin's schematic view is your role-related behaviour. This part suggests that your behaviour can change completely depending on how a circumstance changes, and if you are asked to change roles where you have to take up being something that you wouldn't normally. This causes your behaviour to change to suit the person that you are having to find the role of. This is especially common in a sporting environment. The interactionalist theory supports the idea that your personality only changes when you are asked to change it. For example, if you are put into the situation of a leading role. An example of where personality may be influenced by the interactionalist theory is in sports such as football. For example, if you are a player on a football team, however you are asked to coach one of the sessions because the coach is absent, you'd have to change your normal role. This also means that you'll have to change the type of personality that you have to take, so that you have to take control of the group. For example, as a player you may be quite relaxed in training, and you're happy to join in but you're quite calm. However, as a coach you have to change characteristics to suit the role. This means that you may become more serious and strict to ensure that everyone listens and pays attention. This means that your personality is being defined by the circumstance and role that you are in. The player still has their normal player traits and personality traits that they have as their typical responses. However, they also have their role-related behaviour, which leads to them being able to adapt if they are asked to take up the role of something else. Compared to the other theories, this theory doesn't have many limitations. This is because it is an overall theory where many different situations, people and sport can be reflected within it.